Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to all of you in the lecture of day 5. Today our topic is rational and real numbers. So let's start our lecture. At the end of this lecture you will be able to recognize between the rational and irrational real numbers. First we will start about the rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers in which two integers can be written in the fraction form. For example, 1 divided by 3, 9 divided by 4, 5 divided by 1, means 5, which is whole number, also written in the form of fraction. All these numbers can be written in the form of fraction or ratio are called the rational numbers, and those numbers which cannot be written in the form of fraction are called the irrational numbers. For example, irrational numbers are 1 divided by square root of 2, and the value of pi is also a rational number, which is 3.14. It cannot be written in the fraction form. Same like this, the square root of any prime number is also the irrational number. Now we will check how the numbers are rational numbers. If the numbers are terminating decimals and recurring decimals, then these numbers are called the rational numbers. Terminating decimals means after the decimal point the digits will be defined, which are not undefined. Then these numbers are called rational numbers. Same like this, the recurring decimal mean the digits will be repeat again and again. In irrational numbers, these numbers are not terminating and not recurring. I hope all your concepts about the rational numbers are clear. Now we will move towards the real numbers. Now the set of real numbers including all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. A set of numbers in which all rational and irrational numbers are written is called the set of real numbers. Now I hope all your concepts about the rational and real numbers are clear. Now you are able to recognize between the rational and irrational numbers. Now your assignment is to write 3 rational and 3 irrational numbers. Thank you.